Hello everyone. Today we will make a code for sentiment mastermind using NLP function. The NLP means natural language processing. So this is the code for NLP. Let's start the run the code. When the camera open, then we need to flip it and we need to show the text written by us. When we show the text happy, that Toby is saying, I am double happy to know that you are happy. Now I am going to change the text sad. That Toby says, never be sad, everything in life is full of ups and downs. Like this we can make a code for sentiment mastermind using NLP function.